have seen?
You have seen my resume, ma'am?
Yes, I have seen it. How many of you have made?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Keep your cameras on first. First thing is that what is the difference between resume and curriculum writing?
What, ma'am?
What is the difference between curriculum vitae and resume? Is there any difference or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are the differences? Who said yes, ma'am? Curriculum vitae and resume. Resume is for freshers and you will pronounce it resume. And it is a French word. Not resume, but resume.
Resume, yes, ma'am.
Resume. It is a French word.
Your network is not good, ma'am. Your voice is breaking.
I don't have any choice, but so a resume is a French word. And a CV, how is it different? Think about it. Resume and curriculum writing. The first difference is that resume is for freshers. Like when you will be making your resume, you all are freshers. So resume is for freshers and curriculum vitae is for persons who have experience.
गोविंद अपना माइक म्यूट करो.
ठीक है. Resume French word है. Freshers के लिए होता है resume. And curriculum vitae is a Latin word. English कोई नहीं है. Latin word. And it is for experience holders. Persons who have experience, they will submit their resume, their curriculum writing. Another difference, resume should be compiled in just one page. It should not exceed more than a page. A resume should not include multiple pages, just in one page. Your font should be as such that it will fit in one page. Do not add colors. Do not use font which is fancy fonts. Compile it in one single page, whereas a curriculum vitae can have multiple pages. The meaning of both is your technical details, what you have done in life so far academically. And curriculum vitae, the places where you have worked will be included, the projects, the papers which you have presented, your research work, the seminars you have conducted. So curriculum vitae is for people who have experience. If you have worked in 6 companies, you will have to give the details of each company. Like when you joined, when you left, what was your position? So all these things are included in a curriculum vitae. So when you say that for a fresher, if there is option for CV, in today's world, people are mistaking it. People are using it vice versa. Give your CV, give your resume. It is happening. But then in technical, the technical differences are freshers के लिए resume and for experience. So the correct pronunciation is resume and curriculum vitae. which is a Latin word. Right. Now, the most important part of a resume is objective. What do you mean by objective?
Goal, ma'am. Aim. What you have set. What the aim is for your life.
What your
Objective
plan
is,
is.
ma'am, who am I? What do you want? This is all about the objective, ma'am.
I'll give you show you some examples, so that though it is not a perfect resume, but then it will give you some idea. I'll give you the details of something. So this is a for BCA, BSc IT and BCA. IT, for IT freshers, how should you make a resume? As you see in the right side, the person has written the name. So likewise, आप भी बनाइए, you write your name, and your address should be below the name. Write your name on the left side and your complete address. Do it right now. Here, left side, you will write your name. Below the name, do not leave any space. Write your address without leaving a space. Your name and your address. And on the right side, write your email ID and your mobile number. Right? Left side, name and address. Right side, email ID and telephone number. Not like this, not as it is shown over here. Right? I'm just giving you a layout and then the objective. Now the objectives, after the objective, put a colon, not a semicolon, a colon, 2 dots. And don't leave, without leaving any space, write your objective. It should start like the block style writing, left side. It should not be indented.
Ma'am, after objective in the next from the next line, no, we have to explain
I'm
our.
giving it to you. Write your name, for example, whatever it is. Your name. Address. Write your name, your address. And then you write your email ID. And beneath it, write your phone number. You need to write resume. So that the recruiters will know that this is a freshers. The moment you see a resume written on top, you will know that this is a freshers. This person is a fresher, right? Now, 2 spaces down, write objective. Continue in the same line. Do not. You have a choice. You can go down, but objective. Now, objective is supposed to be a couple of sentences. Like, what is this person? What has this person written? To establish to establish myself as a committed, hardworking, and successful employee. This is the objective. So objective, you have to complete this in one page, so do not leave spaces. Your font should be as such that it will fit one page. Right? So this is a good objective. To establish myself as a committed, hardworking, and successful employee by learning and leading to achieve goals and to use my knowledge and skills for success of myself and organization.
You are not audible, ma'am.
I'm not audible.
Currently, your network is not so good.
Yeah, what would it do?
Ma'am, you are audible.
Now?
Now it is audible. In between, ma'am, it got stuck somewhere.
All right. You can change the lines. Seeking to work in a company which will give me an opportunity to learn and use my skills to the best of my ability. Objective is completely yours. A couple of sentences. This is one of the objectives. You can use this or you can make your own. This is the most important part in your resume because it calls for complete accuracy in language, grammar, spelling. Nothing, there should be no error. So seeking an opportunity it should not be in bold, like do not make it bold. So seeking an opportunity to work in an organization. It should be just a line or two. Make sure this has to fit in one place. So font should not be large and it should not be bold. Do not add any color or highlighting anything. As I think somebody showed me with a very fancy resume, which is not done. So after your objective can be, you can make your own objective. You can use one or two sentences. If you have made an objective, let me know. You're completely free to write what you feel like writing. Another objective can be to secure a challenging position. You have to choose just one, not all. To secure a challenging position that can enable me, or where I can effectively contribute my skills. Where I can effectively contribute my skills as a software professional. You only need to make sure that whatever you're writing is grammatically correct, and there should be no errors in spelling. What is the objective? To you have written this. Okay, जो लिखे हैं वो तो ठीक है, जो नहीं लिखे हैं वो अपना लिख लीजिए, चेंज करना है चेंज कर लीजिए, because they are going to ask you, they might ask you, discuss your resume. Discuss your resume or discuss your objective in the resume. They can ask you. You should know what this means, and whatever objective you have written, if you can elaborate that, elaborate.
Ma'am, I have sent a resume. That is good or not, ma'am?
और किसी और का ऑब्जेक्टिव आप लेंगे तो आपको मालूम होना चाहिए कि इसको डिस्कस कैसे करना है, उसका मीनिंग पता होना चाहिए। ये नहीं कि आपने किसी का उठा लिया और आपको पता ही नहीं है,
Yes.
किसी से बनवा लिया, किसी सीनियर से बना लिया, टीचर से बनवा लिया, या फिर आपको पढ़े भी नहीं, बस आप उठाए और देखो। It so happens that students are so irresponsible, and it is so embarrassing when they do not know the meaning of a particular word. तो जो भी आप ऑब्जेक्टिव बनाएंगे, it should be simple and you should understand this. मैंने अभी आपको 3 दिखाया है. You have the choice to make your own resumes. All right, please discuss your objective. Yes. What is your objective? Discuss your objective, please. What you have written. आप जो कुछ भी लिख रहे हैं, you should understand the meaning of it, so that if anybody can ask you, or if anybody asks you, you can discuss. अब हम आपको क्वेश्चन दे रहे हैं, discuss your objective. What will be your answer? Yes. आपको अपना ऑब्जेक्टिव याद भी होना चाहिए.
Yes, ma'am.
हम पूछ रहे हैं आपको what is your objective? Do not look here and there.
Ma'am, I have written in the resume to obtain a position that will allow to me that it
Allow
will
to
allow.
me तो wrong English है. मैंने क्या कहा, सबसे पहले ऑब्जेक्टिव 2-4 लाइनें, 2 सेंटेंस लिखना है, और वो 2 सेंटेंस भी अगर रॉन्ग लिख रहे हैं आप, तो आपका रेज्यूमे विल स्ट्रेट अवे गो टू द डस्टबिन.
Sir, that will allow to my technical skills by dint of hard working.
बाय डेंट ऑफ हार्ड वर्किंग कोई वर्ड नहीं, मैंने इसको पढ़ा नहीं है नीतीश, टाइम नहीं मिला पढ़ने का हमको, ऐसा क्लास में डिस्कस कर लेंगे, ठीक है। जो भी आप बनाए हैं प्लीज शेयर योर स्क्रीन, आई विल टेल यू कहाँ रॉन्ग है।
Okay, ma'am. I will
Everybody,
share.
if you have made your resume, I am allowing screen sharing. Show me so that I can tell you where you are going wrong. Okay. Anybody who has made a resume, please tell me
Please
without
give me,
reading it.
Ma'am, please give me permission to share screen.
विनायक आपका हाथ रेज हो रहा था, हैंड रेज हो रहा था।
Yes, ma'am, for the objective, ma'am.
Okay. What is the objective? Don't read. Speak.
No, ma'am. I want to get a job in a multinational company so that I can improve, so that I can gain experience as well as contribute towards the betterment of myself as well as for my organization.
All right. आपका बहुत ही informal type का objective है. It should be technical. I want to, ये सब word मत use कीजिएगा. I want. और I से शुरू नहीं होता है. We saw that the objective that is there, seeking to objective, to secure. I कहीं नहीं है. To establish. हाँ.
Ma'am, please
Seeking a
give me
position. I नहीं
permission.
लिखा जाता. पहले you do not start with I.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks for doing.
Ma'am,
What I want to say is that it should be formal. This is formal business communication, no? So you have to talk technical. Make it better, Vinayak.
Yes, ma'am. It is just a trial, ma'am, because I have
Yes,
current.
you are trying. Every workshop is a trial. You
Yes,
will
ma'am.
write again, you will delete, you will write some more. You will continue to write unless you feel this is very good, and then you will continue to rewrite, edit, rewrite until you are satisfied.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what was your question? Seeking. The meaning of seek is ढूंढना, तलाश में.
ma'am,
We are writing, ma'am, seeking, ma'am.
ma'am, skill sharing हो रही है?
हाँ. Is it? Where is your photo? और इतना बड़ा इसको बोल्ड क्यों किया नीतीश कुमार को? ऐसे नहीं होता. और कैपिटल लेटर्स क्यों लिखा तुमने?
ठीक मैम, इसको करेक्ट
कैपिटल लेटर्स नहीं, अब बिल्कुल ऊपर में लिखिए, बीच में you can write resume and नीतीश कुमार के अंडर में आप लिखिएगा, जैसे मैंने बताया था, your address and the right side you will write your email ID and your telephone number, not like this.
Okay ma'am.
And do not draw a line after objective. It is not readable. It is, the font is so small. Can you make it large?
Okay ma'am, okay ma'am.
Share screen. Join them.
Can I, ma'am?
It should be a one page only.
बहुत लंबा है.
2 pages है क्या?
2 पेज नहीं है, but 1 पेज में adjust भी नहीं है.
Yes, ma'am.
Font size छोटा करेगा. Font size छोटा करेगा.
और this is not the way you write your resume. आपका भी why capital letters?
Ma'am, because I see somewhere, that's why I'm using.
No, you don't need to write capital letters. ये neat लग रहा है क्या? It is not looking neat also. बाकी सब ठीक है, लेकिन ऊपर वाला इट्स नेम के नीचे एड्रेस, राइट साइड ईमेल आईडी एंड कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर। आई रिपीटेडली टेलिंग यू, तो चेंज कीजिए आप लोग।
Okay, ma'am.
व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव, पढ़ो उसको। डिस्कस योर ऑब्जेक्टिव, किशन कुमार।
Yes, ma'am.
डिस्कस योर ऑब्जेक्टिव।
Yes, ma'am. To pursue a responsible and challenging career in any professional environment and good career growth, where I can work as a team player and contribute to the organization with the best of my ability.
ठीक है भाई, करियर करियर दो बार आ गया आपका, एंड आपका प्रोनाउंसिएशन थोड़ा ठीक करना पड़ेगा। टू परस्यू a
Yes, ma'am.
responsible and challenging career, career नहीं, career.
Okay, ma'am.
To pursue a responsible and challenging career in any professional environment, environment नहीं होता है, environment नहीं होता है, environment
Yes,
and
ma'am.
good career growth. Why good all the time? Why career all the time? Where I can work as a team player and contribute to the organization with the best of my ability. Pronunciation सही करना, ठीक है? फिर से
Yes,
बोलो।
ma'am.
To pursue
Yes, ma'am.
environment. Two
To
words are
purs-
very important in your objective: environment and pursue.
Yes, ma'am.
Career.
To pursue a
पर
responsible
क्यों बोल रहे हो? Pursue. आर को थोड़ा हाइड करो। To
to
pursue.
pursue. Yes, ma'am. To pursue a responsible and challenging career in any professional environment and good
Environment.
environment
Yeah.
and good career growth, where I can work as a team player and contribute to the organization with the best of my ability.
आपका आर बहुत नजर आ रहा है। आप मेरा सुनिए, मेरा कहीं आर नजर आएगा तो
परफेक्ट वाला
परफेक्ट।
परफेक्ट यस मैम
लिसन टू मी कि मेरा आर कहाँ छुपा हुआ है, आप देखो कहाँ प्रोमिनेंट है। To pursue a responsible and challenging career in any professional environment and good career growth, where I can work as a team player and contribute to the organization with the best of my ability. How's that?
Okay, ma'am. Next time I will correct it.
Chalo, good. Next, change the format, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, next. What I am basically interested is to see how you have made your resume, and the next thing which is most important is your objective. And most importantly, you should know what your objective, you should know how to discuss your objective. For example, Kishan, तुमने इतना लिखा है objective. Now, without reading it, give me elaborate that. Discuss your objective, Kishan Kumar.
My objective is in which my skill I can implement it in any organization.
I can implement it कहाँ से हो गया? तुम्हारा जो ऑब्जेक्टिव है, पहले उसको तो बोल जाओगे तुम, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, उसको पहले बोल जाओगे, so that the person can know कि इसी का language है, he knows it. ऐसा नहीं कि कोई और बनाया है, and he doesn't even know the objective. And give me the gist of what your objective is. ठीक है? बोलो, prepare this. It takes time to prepare.
Ma'am, I will prepare then. I will tell.
Okay, you will prepare. ठीक है, next. Yes, Vinayak.
Ma'am, I didn't prepare it, ma'am, till now.
You did not prepare it. Why? Why is that? How's that? And why is that?
No, ma'am, I will prepare within 1 day, ma'am. In the next class, I will show you, ma'am.
Yeah. And anybody else? You have done it. Yes, no.
It is mandatory to show the strength goals in the format of the resume.
Yeah. Areas of expertise, areas of interest. You need to show your hobbies and interests. It is important to show your areas of interest when we're talking about resume and your personal details. Let us take a look at this. So in work experience, the person has written is a fresher. It means he doesn't have any work experience. He is a fresher. And then the technical skills. Technical language known, technical languages known, C, C++, Core Java, ASP, HTML, and Visual Basics. I think you all are aware of all this. So database known. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
So this can be, which you can know. Project work for 6th semester, cable management system, whatever your project work. अभी आपने दिखाया था ना अपना project work.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yes. So it has to be shown like this. An education profile. सबसे लास्ट अभी आप करेंगे BSc IT का करेंगे या BCA करेंगे. And then okay, huh? People also from BCA. BSc IT कहाँ से किया उन्होंने? महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड से. या सबसे लास्ट आप नीचे सबसे पहले क्या लिखेंगे आप? Make a table and do this. Professional information, date of birth, gender, mother tongue, nationality, marital status single, languages known, Hindi, English, regional languages. Leisure interest, it means he's talking about his interest, he has not talked about his hobby. Instead of leisure, leisure interest, हाँ, hobbies and interest होता है. तो आप leisure interest का लिख सकते हैं, या you can write areas of interest. Like he's written watching TV. You can write anything which can be suitable for your job. Okay. And declaration he has put. I do. ये सारा जो formatting and it should be on the left side, aligned in the left side, not indented नहीं, सब left side. तो block style of writing होता है left side aligned होता है. Indented कभी मत करिएगा. I do hereby declare that the particulars of information and facts stated herein above, stated herein भी सही है, above बेकार में डाल दिया है. Stated herein मतलब यहाँ जो लिखा गया है above की जरूरत नहीं है यहाँ पर. Are true, correct and complete to the best of my knowledge. इतना भी नहीं लिखना है. Are correct to the best of my knowledge and believe भी जरूरत नहीं है. इसको छोटा बनाइए और छोटा करिए.
It should be as concise as possible.
As concise. फालतू की चीज वो बच्चे ने डाल दिया है. ऑलरेडी था. जितना कंसाइज करिए. Declaration, I would like to declare that the above stated is true to my knowledge or is correct. So declaration आप skip भी कर सकते हैं, डालना है तो डाल भी सकते हैं. I hereby declare that the above stated information is true to the best of my knowledge. In the next class, come back with your resume, what changes you have made, and let us see. Sometimes the HR will simply tell you, they will not tell you to introduce yourself. but they will ask you to discuss your resume.
Discuss your resume.
Discuss your resume. It means you have to
Yes, ma'am.
speak whatever you have written. Okay? Or as far as possible, try to make your own resume. Try to learn. Do not be dependent on the internet. Do not be dependent on somebody else. It's your life, it's your career, it's your job, and you're going to face it. Nobody else. So this is the first entry to your career. Make sure your pronunciation is correct. But first thing first, technically it should be correct, right?
Ma'am,
Ah, yes.
should I mention permanent address or temporary address?
I think we should mention your temporary address because permanent address is somewhere else. So they might not contact you.
Okay, ma'am.
Or sometimes people include both temporary address and permanent. Supposing you're living in a PG or you're living in a hostel. Maybe after a couple of months you will be leaving this hostel. So permanent address is something which is technically correct. कहीं आप change कर रहे हैं, you're a renter, so you keep on changing your address. So it is best to include your permanent address. Any question, anybody else?
So ma'am, we have to mention both address, temporary address as well as permanent address.
If you think your permanent address and your temporary address is the same, your choice. This is as far as I'm concerned, according to how you see things. Are you going to be there for another 2 months or 2 years or so? Or if you're going to live there a long time, even if it's temporary, do that. And if you're not sure, the next month wo kahan chale jana hai, then no point giving your temporary address. All right. Any questions, anybody? Let's wind up today.
Thank you, ma'am.